Well, after my class 10th boards exams results were out, I was already in search of an institute which can not only inculcate a feeling.
You always need a guidance like a family, a second family, to get through the hard barriers.
To somewhere I can get better faculties, better ideas and better knowledge.
And I found FIITJEE to be one of the best institute which could help me achieve my goal.
FIITJEE faculties are really helpful and they are really friendly to us, provides a homely appearance to us and an environment which help us studying and staying motivated for our future.
And starting from our basics, they found to nourish us, and they also helped us at our hard times, and
they explain everything very clearly, and any difficult questions also are done in the class, which boosts our confidence. And
they provide extra classes and doubt removal sessions.
Whenever my peers are going through any problem, the student who has gained proficiency in one concept is called upon to the board and asked to deliver the same concept to the whole class. And this not only helps his peers but also develops a concept in his or her own mind.
Yes, I would definitely recommend FIITJEE because the preparations, the change in mindsets and the nourishment factor which I have found in FIITJEE, it is hard to believe that it can be found anywhere else.
Because as I mentioned earlier, the competitive environment and the striking change in mindset that you develop here would be found nowhere.
The faculties are really good. The environment which we get over here is really different, and the doubt clearing sessions, the teaching procedures, and
people who would love to pursue engineering, the amazing faculty, regular tests and assignments, and the best module are the top reasons. The FIITJEE curriculum is defined and designed in such a way that it makes tougher topics easier and strengthens the basic topics.
I would be saying three factors. Firstly, the super competitive environment. Secondly, the reliable teachers. And thirdly, the regular exams that is taken in an interval of time. These three factors play a very pivotal role in shaping the future and mindset of a student who is going to appear for a competitive exam in the near future.
And it was very constructive. It starts from basics and ends until it's advanced, and
it is very much helpful for helping to crack the very hard questions as they come in the exams.
And the ideas and the topics which we have in our syllabus for 11 and 12 and for further exams like JEE and others, which I would say are more like a piece of cake to us.
FIITJEE gives many assignments that involves questions from almost all the topics from any chapter.
Coming to the assignments and tests scheduled in FIITJEE, firstly, there is the online mode of exams, be it AI2TS, and there is a specific app for that purpose, that is Glorifier. Whenever you are running short of time to come and travel, there you can already sit in home and prepare for a exam.
All the tests are related to our concept. There are short tests and long tests, and a student is free to access them at any time, which helps him to give a free space and
where I can perform better. Moreover, the Glorifier app, which is a platform to give regular tests and assignment, has proved to be extremely beneficial.
And those results which are recorded regularly on the Glorifier app helps us to improve us in our skills and studies for future, and nourishes us in aiming to those topics that are weak for me especially.